In this video, I am going to show you how to add a before and after slider to your Squarespace website. Let's go. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go and open your Squarespace website editor. So this is an example. This is my example website. Now you want to open a new tab and go to this website called elfsite.com. From here you want to create an account or log on into your account. So if you don't have an account yet, you can just simply enter your email here and click on start. And then after logging into your account, just click on wages right here. And from here in the search bar, just search for before and after. Okay, so you can see this before and after slider wages. So let's just select this OK, and we will see our different templates right here. So for example, let's just select this template. Let's click on continue with this template. Now you can edit here. Now you can add your pictures or images right here and also add a heading. So in my case, I was not editing any of this, or this is just an example. So let's just click on add to website and then click on all of that. Now from here, let's publish. Just click on publish here in the upper right corner of the screen and simply select the free version. Now we are all set. As you can see, they already gave us the code. So let's just copy and code. So let's just copy the code and go back to our Squarespace website editor. Once you are here in your Squarespace website editor, just select a section here you want to add these wages and simply click on add block. So from here just select code and then double click and just simply paste the code that you have copied up. Now let's just click on preview and save mode and click. There we go. And as you can see, the wages is now copied to our Squarespace website editor, as you can see. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.